Yeah, hello guys. We are going to discuss the agriculture, right? Today we are going to complete the chapter agriculture. So we did complete the what are the crop pattern, the primary sector contribution, the allied sectors like crop and fisheries and forestry and livestock. These are the allied sectors which are contribute towards the agriculture. But agriculture, how much it is contribute to the state GSDP, like GVA, gross value addition, the part of agriculture which is 17%, it is contributed towards the state GSDP, right? We did complete all of the things, and right now what is agri credit, and what is soil health cards, and what is ENAM. ENAM mean it is a marketing. We are producing the agriculture product, but we have to be market it be within the timeline, and we have to export some agri products. What are the platforms and what are the government initiatives to take responsibility about this agri credit? Okay, so we are going to discuss about agri credit today itself. The class we are going to deal all over the ENAM. Okay, ENAM and these are the technology, right? These there are many platforms. There is a agri products are going to be export. Okay, what are the regulation bodies regarding agri exports? We are going to discuss. Okay, just a moment. Yeah. Yeah, agriculture and allied sector, it is the chapter 4, right? Okay, we know the agriculture and allied sectors are what? Okay, we did complete all over these MCQs, and yeah, this is what right now the digital initiative, the agriculture department. Okay, एक minute. Cropping pattern. Yeah, okay. Yeah, what are the digital initiative? This is the digital technology, the era where the AI technology and blockchain technology, right? So the Department of Agriculture of Telangana has made significant, okay, the leveraging information technology, which is ICT. Okay, this is the keyword ICT here. ICT, information and communication technology, which is introduced in the agriculture for the further enhance their agriculture services and ensure to effective implementation of schemes. Okay, yeah, we know the schemes that should be transparent and accountable, right? We have to the technology, under the technology, every scheme which is transparent and accountable. Okay, in that way ICT, information and communication technology, used in the agriculture sector. The digital initiatives to strengthen the agriculture expansion, like ensure a timely input supply. Just look into here, input supply, improve the procurement process and promote transparency of the scheme execution. This is the technology which is under the agriculture. Okay, yeah, the input supply is what? Okay, if any fertilizers, if any like food grain shortage or any seed shortage, okay, these are the like information is comes under if the platform that can give the information regarding demand and supply. Okay, that can be promote a transparency and scheme execution. Okay, AEO app, this is important. They can ask you direct the name of app, guys. Okay, okay, AEO logger app. Okay, this is the app, geo-referenced mobile application. Geo-referenced mobile application. This is keyword for coming exam. Okay, yeah. It is allow AEOs to record their day-to-day activities, mark attendance and access relevant data about better decision making and planning. Okay, yeah. And fertilizer inventory verification system app. This may be asked you guys. Okay, the app name is FIVES. FIVES. They can give you app name and they can ask you this app is belongs to, like, okay. FIVES is the fertilizer inventory verification system. Inventory means there is a data how much fertilizer is there, availability for according to the demand. Okay, how much it is the fertilizer availability. As you know, there is a farmers are looking for the fertilizer. There is a shortage of fertilizer these days, right? So in that way, this is the app. They can provide information, accurate information regarding fertilizers. FIVES. Okay, yeah. Fertilizer supply and distribution and recipient and their sale of continuous activity to need the monitored and real time by all stakeholders. Okay, yeah. This is the verification between POS and stock, ground stock. Like, okay, there are fertilizer commodity shortage stores are there. Okay, there are many places controlled by our government. Okay, that is under this app, guys. Okay, yeah. So just this is actually app fertilizer inventory verification system. Okay, they can ask you the abbreviation also. They can give you the app name FIVES, that is fertilizer inventory verification system. Fertilizer inventory verification system. It is has been developed MAOs, ADS and DAOs. Okay, what is the objective of this? Okay, this is objective to ensure the fertilizer inventory at dealer and regulatory in the IFMS system. Okay, yeah. And department websites also they can ask you sometimes. Okay, the department website, okay, agritechnology.gov.in. Okay, yeah, has been resigned yeah, a minute. Yeah, this is the website, guys. They can ask you the website name also in the PYQs. Okay, yeah, it provide information schemes, subsidies and agro advisories and market rates and weather updates also. Weather updates also, guys. Okay, yeah. Crop booking system. It is the digital crop survey. Crop booking system is the digital crop survey. 1 minute, guys. Okay, digital crop system records. Yeah, they can ask you the question any form, guys. They can ask you the question any form. This is the technology time. They can ask you the app names, website names. Okay, yeah. In that way, crop booking system, it is the digital crop survey. The crop booking system records a season wise survey number in specific crop data, including crop variety and source of crop. Okay, this is important, guys. Raitu Bharosa and Raitu Bima. Raitu Bharosa and Raitu Bima. This is the scheme. Okay, Raitu Bharosa, the portal, it is support the Raitu Bharosa portal, guys. Raitu Bharosa portal. Okay, it can be support the implementation of agriculture investment support scheme. Okay, where this is the what 58 to 60 lakhs farmers directly they can benefit. Directly they can benefit 58 to 60 lakhs farmers, guys. This is the what they can ask you. Okay, how many beneficiaries are there under this Raitu Bharosa scheme? 58 to 60 lakhs beneficiaries are there under direct cash benefit. Okay, yeah, DBT, direct benefit of transfer, DBT. Okay, yeah, and Raitu Bima also. Raitu Bima portal facilitate the farmer group life insurance scheme. Raitu Bharosa is the credit scheme. Okay, they can directly give the money through the direct beneficiary transfer. Okay, DBT, that is Raitu Bharosa. Raitu Bima portal, they can like help for the facilitate the farmer group life insurance. Raitu Bima is the life insurance. Raitu Bharosa is the credit scheme. Okay, they can actually in the Telangana all over 58 to 60 lakhs farmers are benefited by the Raitu Bharosa. Okay, the scheme is DBT. Yeah. Digital agriculture NEGPA. Okay, digital agriculture NEGPA. Okay, yeah, it is under the digital agriculture. Under digital agriculture, NEGPA is National E-Governance Plan in Agriculture. Guys, they can ask you the abbreviation also, the full form also. NEGPA is what? E mean e-governance, like, okay, under digital agriculture, National E-Governance Plan in Agriculture. National E-Governance Plan in Agriculture. This is emerging technologies like AI, blockchain technology, IoT, Internet of Things. Okay, nowadays the emerging technologies are what in the information technology? Okay, AI, artificial intelligence, and blockchain technology, and IoT, Internet of Things. Okay, these are the technology, everything. Just look into that. AI, as you know, AI can be predict weather prediction or crop shortage or the soil test and the crop pattern. Everything AI give the data. Okay, they can predict, and from the fast sources they can predict it. Okay, yeah, what is the environmental situations, what is the crop pattern next 10 years. Okay, these are comes under artificial intelligence, next coming technology. And if come to the blockchain technology, it is the technology where it is supposed to be, there is no intermediate, there is no, it is end-to-end encryption, there is no, nobody can hack it. Okay, that is the blockchain technology. There are many land records on the farmer, like under farmer credit system, all over comes under blockchain technology. Internet of Things. Internet of Things, nowadays everything you have to remote it, you can operate the anywhere from anywhere. Like if there any agriculture related work, like any like there are if come to the Telangana, there are almost wells, right? There is a motor system, their electricity is there, they can operate their electricity system from their home. Okay, in that way Internet of Things also comes under agriculture technology. There here they told, okay, NEGPA, National E-Governance Plan in Agriculture, that is the emergency technologies like artificial intelligence, blockchain technology, and IoT, Internet of Things. Yeah, why I am telling guys, they can ask you the exam, this kind of questions they can make, okay, in the coming exams. Okay, yeah, it is being deployed the support of farmers through improving, okay, to improving efficiency and sustainability of the agriculture. Okay, efficiency and sustainability of the agriculture following the projects are under NEGPA for the year 2025 and 2026. Okay, yeah, crop health monitoring, use of remote sensing, GIS mean geo information science, imaging recognition, data analytics, artificial intelligence, machine learning, and that is like plant growth, weeds and pest and disease field. Okay, these are they can recognize through this technology. Okay, they can ask you directly what is NEGPA. what are the technologies under any GPA. They can ask you like AI, blockchain technology, IoT. Don't confuse it. It is mentioned in the book. Okay. Yep. Yeah. Of course, they can involve in the post harvest moisture prediction. Okay. Post harvest moisture prediction mean if the after post harvest there is a seed, every seed there is a moisture is there within the seed because of seeds are did not dried before harvest. Okay. After harvest also there is a certain moisture is there in the seed. Okay. They can predict it, they can predict the technology. Okay. Yeah. Non-pharmatic sustainable machine learning models for the identification of moisture inside the maize and groundnut grains. Yeah, inside the maize and groundnut there is a moisture, right? There is a technology here they mentioned, they might ask you. Okay. Yeah, just look into here again the technology name. Okay. Yeah, non-parametric okay, statistical machine learning models. Okay, non-parametric statistical machine learning models for the identification moisture inside the maize and groundnut. Okay, groundnut pre-identification of moisture at the farm level and post harvest also. Okay. Yeah. Horticulture, about horticulture. Okay, I made a key notes for the horticulture, guys. Okay. Yeah, horticulture. What is horticulture in the Telangana? It is aimed to the crop enhance nutrition, okay, ensure the higher farmer returns. Okay. Schemes relevant horticulture, Telangana Micro Irrigation Project MIP, Telangana Micro Irrigation Project MIP. Okay. And State Horticulture Mission MIDH, State Horticulture Mission MIDH, and Rashtriya Krishi Vikas Yojana RKVY. Okay. These are the schemes relevant to the horticulture. Okay. They can ask you guys, horticulture is the main source for the area where the plateaus are there. Okay. Not about plains, this is the Telangana is the Deccan Plateau, mainly the horticulture is the main resource after like crops like cereals like paddy and cotton. After that there is a second part is horticulture, guys. The area production 2023-2024, total area how much comes under horticulture is 12.96 lakhs acres. 12.96 lakh acres in 2023-2024, the horticulture or area covered. The production 42.58 lakh million tons, okay, metric tons. Okay. Yeah, metric tons. Major crops are mango and sweet orange, acid lime and pomegranate and guava and tomato and brinjal and oil palm, cashew, chilies and turmeric. These are the major crops of the horticulture, guys. Okay. Yeah, it is actually the enhance the nutrition and ensure the farmers like returns. Okay. Yeah, schemes, relevant schemes, horticulture relevant schemes are Telangana Micro Irrigation Projects and State Horticulture Mission and Rashtriya Krishi Vikas Yojana. Okay. Yeah, these they can ask you guys, this is how much total area covered under horticulture, how much production is comes under horticulture. Okay. Area is 12 lakhs acres. Okay. The like production is 42 metric tons. Okay. Yeah, they might ask you this also, guys, increasing order or decreasing order, the production increasing order and decreasing order, area and production. They can ask you increasing or decreasing, you must know, guys, there may be question. Okay. Yeah, fruits how much? 4 lakhs acres, fruits comes under 4 lakhs acres. Okay. Yeah, production is 18 lakh metric tons. Okay. Vegetables are only 1 lakh acres. Vegetables are very low, 1 lakh acres. Okay. The production is 11 lakh metric tons. Okay. Spices are, spices are very much area, guys. Okay. That is 4.33. Of course, Telangana is not a coastal state, but there is a spices are more. The where high humidity, where like high rainfall, there is a spices are more, right? No, Telangana also comes under spices rich state. That is turmeric. Turmeric is the main spices comes under Telangana. Okay. There are turmeric, national turmeric board also there in Nizamabad. So turmeric is the main spice in the Telangana. Spices are 4 lakhs acres, guys. 4.33 lakhs acres. Okay. That is 9.31 metric ton, 9.31 lakh metric tons are produced in the turmeric. Oil farm is 2 lakhs acres. Oil farm is 2 lakhs acres. They can produce 2 lakhs metric tons. And plantation agroforestry, that is very low, 1 lakh. Plantation is not enough in Telangana because of it is not a hilly areas. Okay. So it is 0.08 lakh tons. Flowers are also less, and medicinal aromatic also very less. Total area 12 lakhs acres, 12.96 lakhs acres, which is like area of the, this is sector. Okay. Horticulture sector, horticulture is comes under 12.96 lakhs acres, horticulture. Okay. And production is 42.58 lakh metric tons is the production. Okay. Overall, if you look into this, first one, they can ask you increasing order area wise or decreasing order, or production also increasing order and decreasing order, they can ask you. Spices is the first place. Spices is the first place. Okay. Area wise. Here production wise is fruits are the first place. Production wise fruits are the first place. They can ask you, guys, in the Telangana, according to the Socio-Economic Outlook, horticulture, the production is increasing order of the horticulture. The area wise, the horticulture cultivated increasing order or decreasing order, they can ask you, guys. Okay. In that way, first is the spices, second is fruits, area wise cultivation, and here production wise, it is second is vegetable. Okay. First is fruits, second is vegetable. Here the area wise, first is spices and second is fruits. Okay. And third is vegetable. Here third is vegetable. Here third is spices. Okay. Fourth, no guys, third here. Okay, this is second. Third is oil farm. Fourth is vegetable. Third is oil farm. Fourth is vegetable. Okay. Here fourth is oil farm, obviously. Okay. This is the order they can ask you 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. They can ask you, you have to remember here the cultivation spices first. Okay. After that fruits, after that oil farm, after that vegetable. The production mainly they can ask you instead of crop area, they might ask you crop area also sometimes. Production is first priority. Production is first is fruits, first is the fruits, second is vegetable, third is spices, and fourth is oil farm. Okay. They can ask you increasing order or decreasing order, area wise cultivation of horticulture or production wise of horticulture. Okay. This is the lakh metric tons, this is lakh acres. Okay. Yes. Yeah. Oil farm. Oil farm. India consumes 100 lakh metric tons oil palm annually. It is cultivated only 11 lakh acres, that is 22 lakh metric tons. Okay, fruit bushes, bunches, and 3.9 lakhs metric tons crude oil palm. Okay, yeah, guys, from this fruit bunches there is a production of oil palm, of course. Okay, yeah, Telangana goal is 3 lakhs acres by 2023-2024. This is important. This is important for coming exam. Telangana target the area of oil palm. Telangana target is about 2025-2026. How much? Okay, 3 lakhs, 3.125 lakhs acres. How much right now? Right now, how much oil palm? How much mean? 2 lakhs acres right now. Right now, 2 lakhs acres. But next 2025-2026, the target is 3 lakhs acres, 3.125 lakhs acres. Okay, yeah. Actually 2020-2021, it is 46,000 acres only. After that, there is a 2022, it is expand in 31 districts of Telangana, that is 2.34 lakhs acres cultivated. Right now, 2.34 lakhs acres. It is increased about 3.125 lakhs acres. Okay, yeah, in the coming area. Micro irrigation. Micro irrigation, it is efficient use of every drop of water via drip and sprinkle irrigation. That is benefit water. It is reduces fertilizer and labor cost also. Okay, yeah. As of now, it is 74,000 hectares under micro irrigation. They can ask you guys. They can ask you 74,000 hectares under micro irrigation in Telangana. Okay, yeah. Mission for integrated development of horticulture. This is important. This is important for coming exam, guys. Very, very, very important for coming exam. MIDH. This is the scheme about horticulture. Okay, what is MIDH? Mission for integrated development horticulture. Mission for integrated development horticulture. This is important, very, very, very important for coming exam. MIDH. Yeah, abbreviation is, they can ask you sometimes also. Mission for integrated development of horticulture. Focus. It is established. Focus for new gardens. And create water resources and promote protected cultivation and support post harvest management, marketing and mechanization. Guys, especially if come to the horticulture, it cannot be stored for long time, it cannot be preservative for long term, because of it can be market immediate base. Okay, in that way, what need actually support post harvest management must be there for horticulture, and marketing also important for horticulture, and mechanization of horticulture also important through this mission. Okay, it is the mission, it is not a scheme. Okay, mission meaning it is an emergency like. Okay, yeah. So they can ask you, yeah, 829 farms ponds comes under the schemes. Okay, for irrigation. 7,000 equipment under the mechanization. Okay, they reduced losses via 32 cold storages. They can ask you how many cold storages are there in Telangana is 43. Okay, yeah. They don't ask you that other things. They can ask you cold storage numbers also. Okay, yeah. This is also important. 8 seed processing unit also there. Seed processing units. Okay, for the horticulture, seed processing units also separate, because of they can handle the high productive grains, and we can handle the pest control cranes also. Okay, in that way there is a 8 seed processing units, okay, and 2 tissue culture labs, and there is a center of excellence at GD Metla. GD Metla is the outskirt of the place, outskirt of Hyderabad. There is a centers of the seed mechanization, like seed processing units and tissue culture labs also there. Okay, 43 cold storages also there. 829 farm ponds for irrigation also there. In this scheme, MIDH, Mission Integrated Development of Horticulture. Okay, yeah, this is important, guys. The numbers also most important for coming exam. Okay, livestock and dairy development. Livestock and dairy development. Okay, Telangana is the strong under livestock and poultry. Okay, it is a strong in livestock and poultry. Okay, women are, this is important, this is the keyword for coming exam, guys. They might ask you. Okay, 69% women workforce under this livestock sector, guys, not horticulture. Livestock is the separate allied sector of agriculture. 69% women are comes under, labor force comes under this livestock. This is the keyword for coming exam. Keyword. Statement wise they can ask you, okay, or else assertion and reason also they can ask you this statement. Okay, 69% women workforce in livestock. Small farmers contribute 60%, 62%, and milk. Small farmers contribute, guys. There are like corporate enter into the like milk production. There is a operation flood. Okay, milk production. Okay, there is a corporate which is entered in the milk production. Still, there is a 62% farmers in under the milk production. Okay, yeah, and 70% is livestock. Livestock means sheep farming, goat farming, and poultry. Okay, these are comes under poultry. This is the most important, guys. This is the most important for coming exam. Okay, yeah, like if come to the livestock, especially women are, there are 69% labor force participation from women especially. 69%, it is not a simple, guys. There is a human participation is huge. In that way there is a question. Okay, and if come to the milk production, 70% there is a small farmers. 70% small farmers, they can contribute the milk, and there are, sorry, milk is 62%. Milk farmers are, small farmers are 62%. 70% farmers are from livestock, small farmers. Okay, 70% are small farmers. Okay, livestock population census, this is the most important, this is the most important they can ask you. The position also they can ask you, the state position or nation position in the livestock. Sheeps are 190 lakhs. Okay, sheeps are 190 lakhs. Poultry is 799 lakhs, and buffalo are 42 lakhs. Okay, goat 49 lakhs, cattle is 42 lakhs, pig are 1.78 lakhs. They can ask you in number, they can ask you increasing or decreasing order. Why I am telling this is important mean, they mention in the book, they mention in the Socio-Economic Outlook book. In that way this is important, they might ask you the number or they can ask you the increasing or decreasing order regarding their numbers. Okay, yeah, sheeps are 190 lakh and poultry is 799 lakh, and buffalo 42 lakhs, goat 49 lakhs, and cattle is 42 lakhs. Okay, yeah, and pig are 1.78 lakhs. This is about livestock and dairy development under agriculture. Okay, livestock and dairy development agriculture is this. Okay, yeah. Yeah, livestock resources, India and Telangana. Most important, guys. Okay, animal name cattle, India and Telangana. Okay, the share of Telangana in the India contribution is 2.2. They can ask you the share of Telangana contribution towards the India, they can ask you the question. Okay, yeah. How much percentage in the cattle? 2.2% Telangana contribute to the India. India 19 lakhs, okay, and Telangana 42 lakhs. Okay, buffalo India is 1000 lakhs, Telangana only 42 lakhs, which is share of 3.85%. And sheep 742 lakhs, India, Telangana 190, which is 25%, guys. Sheep, this is huge. Telangana shares sheep 25% because of there is a scheme of like they mentioned, which is sheep's rearing scheme. Okay, yeah. So in that way, which is increased 25% share of Telangana comes under India. Okay, India only 742, under Telangana is 190 lakhs. Okay, yeah. Goats, okay, only 3% goats. Okay, pig is only 1.97%. Poultry is 9%. After sheep, there is a poultry. Because of Telangana, here there is a consumption of like chicken is huge as compared with other state. Okay, they can ask you the non-veg states. Telangana is the one of the top most state. Okay, in that way, poultry contribution is 9%, sheep contribution is 25%. Okay, and if come to the goat is 3.3%, buffalo is 3.8%. Okay, Telangana, which is contribute to the GVA at current prices, is 96,000 crores. Right now, 2024-2025, it is 1,02,000 crores. 1,02,000 crores Telangana livestock contribute to the Telangana GSDP. Okay, GV of the livestock is 1,02,000 crores. Okay, that is 16%. Okay, yeah. Fisheries also one of the allied sector in the agriculture. Okay, yeah. Fisheries, Telangana, it is the leader inland fisheries and cooperative. Yeah, Grout provide 100% free fish seeds and prawn juveniles. Geotagging of water bodies with NRSC. They can ask you what is NRSC. Remote sensing. Okay, yeah. All public water bodies under Fisheries Department, of course. Target achievement 2024-2025. Okay, that is inland fish production is 4,81,000 tons. Okay, yeah, it is achieved 76%. The freshwater prawns production, okay, 64% it is achieved. Okay, they can ask you the direct question, guys, from these notes. Okay, yeah. Actually, we did complete the crop pattern crop. Okay, agriculture and agriculture is allied sectors. We did complete crop, we did complete fisheries, we did complete horticulture. Okay, we did complete livestock also. Okay, yeah. Right now we are going to discuss the MCQs. This is the MCQ part is the most important, guys. MCQ part is the most important. Okay, yeah. 2023-2024, the total horticulture in area Telangana was how much? Horticulture, how much acres? 12.96 lakhs acres. 12.96 lakhs acres. The area comes under horticulture in the Telangana. Okay, yeah. Which horticulture crop sector had the highest production in 2023-2024? What is that? Fruits. I told you, na, they can ask you the production wise, they can ask you the area wise, increasing order or decreasing order, they can ask you the production wise also. Okay, fruits are the first place, okay, yeah, production fruits are the first place. Okay, just look into here guys. Yeah, just look into here. Fruits are the first place. After that, vegetable. After that, spices. After that, oil form. Okay, first fruits, vegetables, spices, oil form is the order. Okay, fruits is the first place. Second, spices, oil form. Yeah, Telangana target for the oil form cultivation by 2025-2026. This is also important question. 3.125 lakhs acres. Telangana is targeted for the coming years. Okay, this is important. As of now, it is 2 lakhs. Okay, 2 lakhs 75 lakh as of now. So that can be increased into the 3 lakhs 125 acres. Okay. As of January 2025, how much area was brought under micro irrigation project MIP? How much? 74,313 hectares. These are the most important questions, guys. These are the most important questions. That's why I did give the answer here. Don't worry, you can practice more. Okay, this is the most important questions, accurate questions I did make. Okay, yeah. As of now 2025, how much the area brought under the micro irrigation project? How much? 74,313 okay, hectares. Which scheme supports establishment of new gardens and water resources, protected cultivation and post harvest management? MIDH. Okay, yeah. Livestock and dairy questions. What is the percentage of livestock in Telangana owned by small and marginal farmers, landless poor? How much percentage? 70% livestock. Okay, 62% is milk. Okay, yeah. Which livestock population is highest in Telangana? This is important. This is important. Poultry. This is also important. Okay, yeah. Telangana contributes 25.67% of India population in sheep. This is important. This is also important. Okay, yeah. Contribution of livestock sector in Telangana GVA. Livestock sector, how much? 1,02,835 crores. Okay, yeah. This is also important, very important coming exam, guys. Fisheries, the questions about fisheries. Okay, just look into here. Okay, fisheries. Which organization collaborate with Telangana government for geotagging water bodies? ISRO, NRSC, NABARD and ICAR. NRSC. This is also most important, guys. This is also most important question. Okay, yeah. They can ask you such questions. Most important. There is a chance of question from this. Okay, the organization which is geotagging of water bodies in Telangana, NRSC, most important. Okay, yeah. The inland fish production target for the Telangana in 2024-2025. How much? Inland fish production is 4,81,000. Okay, tons. Yeah, difficulty questions, very difficulty MCQs. Just look into here, read it, and we will discuss. Very difficulty level. Which of the following combination of correct regarding highest area and highest production under the Telangana Horticulture 2023-2024? Okay, highest area versus highest production under the Telangana Horticulture. Okay, yeah. Fruits are the highest area, spices are the highest production. Just look into here, this question. Fruits are the highest production? No. Highest production is fruits. Highest production is fruits. But area wise cultivation is the second. Area wise cultivation is second. Yeah. Fruits are the highest area? No, not highest area. Not highest area. It is the area wise second. Okay. Spices is the highest production? No, not. Fruits are the highest production. Okay. Spices are the highest area and fruits are the highest production. This is the right answer. Spices are the highest area, fruits are the highest production. If such a questions in the coming exam, what you can do? In that way, you have to be read innovative. Guys, previous exams are different. Every year there is an increasing complexity and innovation regarding exams. Okay, so you have to be read everything statement wise questions, and it is not a choice. It is not a choice of multiple choice. It is like statement wise questions, assertion and reason. This kind of question, decision making like questions, they can form many questions. Guys, you have to be focused and you have to be short. Okay, in that way you have to be read unique. Okay, so you have to read, think multiple areas like 360 degrees, you have to read the concept. The vegetables are highest area? No, vegetables are not highest area. Okay, fruits are the highest production. Of course, fruits are highest production is correct. Okay, yeah. And oil palm is the highest area? No, oil palm is not highest area. Vegetables are highest production? No. Second one is right. Spices is the highest area, fruits are the highest production. How much? Spices 4.33 lakhs across spices. Fruits highest production 18.65 lakhs metric tons. This is important innovative question I made for you guys. Okay, yeah. Telangana achieves its oil palm cultivation target 3.125 lakh acres by 2025-26. What would be the increase compared to the 2024-2025? Yeah, 2024-2025 is 2 lakhs acres, right? It is increased to the 3.125 lakh acres. How much it is percentage increase? Okay, how much? Which is 0.75 lakh acres should be increased in the from past year to right now. The target is 2026 is 2 lakhs. Okay, 3 lakhs 125. Previously 2025 it is 2 lakhs. How much increase? How much increase? 0.75 lakh acres, guys. Mean almost 7 lakhs acres. Okay, yeah. Micro irrigation project MIP covered 74,000 hectares, not acres, of 2025. If the hectare saves approx 4,000 cubic metric water annually, how much water saving does this imply? How much? 29.7 crore cubic metric. Okay, means 74,000 into 4,000. 74,000 into 4,000. Okay, yeah, 22.97 mean 29. Okay, yeah, 29.7 cubic metrics. Yeah, that is a very difficult question, guys. That is very difficult question, innovative. Okay, next question. Telangana contribute 25.67 of India's total sheep population is 742 lakh. Then Telangana sheep population as per census should be 190 lakhs. 190 lakhs. Okay? Yeah. Poultry population in Telangana 799 lakh. If the contribute 9.39% of India total, what is India total population approximately? Yeah, 9% is 799. If 100% is how much? Okay, 9% is 799. If 100% is what? You can calculate it. Okay, it is 799. 799 is 9%. Okay, if 100% is how much? This is the question. Okay, 8,537 lakh acres. Sorry, production numbers. The contribution of livestock sector in Telangana GVA, gross value addition, increased from 96,000 to 1,02,000 lakh crores. What is the appropriate growth rate? This is important. This is important, most important. There is a question. There is a question, sure. Make sure question. How much percentage of livestock production is increased? How much GVA, gross value addition into the agriculture sector is how much from the livestock, which is increased 6.1%. 6.1%. Crop, how much it is increased? Crop, how much it is increased? There is a question, 6.7. Crop is 6.7, livestock is 6.1. Overall agriculture sector, overall primary sector, okay, that is 6.1. Overall agriculture sector is 6.1. Livestock also 6.1, the growth rate. Livestock also 6.1 growth rate. That is crop. Crop is, the growth rate of crop is 6.7. The growth rate of crop is, yeah, I am going, crop growth rate is 6.7%. Okay, livestock 6.1% increase growth rate. I am talking about growth rate. Growth rate. Agriculture and allied sector, first crop, second livestock, third fisheries. Fisheries growth rate 4%, guys, 4%. And fourth one is forestry. Forestry growth rate is how much? Minus 1.4. Minus 1.4 growth rate forestry. This is the calculation, most important, guys. Okay, they can ask you. Overall, this primary sector, overall growth rate is how much? Overall growth rate is also 6.1%. Overall growth rate is also 6.1%. This is the most important. There is a question from coming exam. Okay, yeah. Guys, soil health. Next, soil health. Okay, soil health and ENAM and Telangana Cooperative Marketing Federation and agriculture exports. We are going to discuss. Okay, yeah. Soil health. What is being done by this scheme? Soil health card scheme. Soil health card scheme and fertility compound under the soil health scheme is what? Rashtriya Krishi Vikas Yojana. Rashtriya Krishi Vikas Yojana being implemented Telangana in 2024-2025 budget. They allocated for the soil health card is 50 crores. 50 crores. This is the keyword. 50 crores is the keyword. Okay? Yeah. And there is actually SSG, okay, self-help groups, okay, there is a many farmers facilitate difficult soil health code, okay, they might not ask you. ENAM is what? ENAM, okay, ENAM, Electronic National Agriculture Market, Electronic National Agriculture Market, ENAM, okay, they can ask you such abbreviations also. Electronic National Agriculture Market, Telangana experiences what is ENAM. It is a digital online marketplace integrating multiple agriculture produce markets, APMs, okay, APMCs, agriculture produce marketing committees, okay, yeah. It is facilitate transport trade, transparent trade and better prices discovery under market reach. National, it is the national scheme, guys. Telangana implementation under agriculture market committees, AMCs, okay, it is state level enroll ENAM program that is implemented 57 AMCs. This is the keyword. 57 EMCs are there in Telangana. This is keyword. Okay, yeah. The major markets like Nizamabad market, they might not ask you. This is the 57 AMCs is the keyword here. Agriculture export Telangana. This is the most important. This is the most important for coming exam. Okay, where the agriculture we can produce and we can export to the other countries. Okay, agriculture exports from Telangana is sharply from 6,337 crores in 2021 to 10,000 crores in 2022. It is increased almost 40% from the 2021 to 2022. Okay, 3,000 crores to 10,000 crores, which is almost 40% increased. Okay, the exports, key exports commodities like cotton, spices, cereals and meat, okay, they can contribute more. Cotton in 2021-2022 export 3,000 crores, spices and coffee, tea together 1,900 crores. Okay, they can ask you guys increasing order or decreasing order exports. The processed food produce shares overall agri food processed food, which is 13 crores 2014-15, which is increased 25%. Okay, yeah. And there is a recognized export potential research study, export potential of agriculture commodities in Telangana. Okay, yeah. Food security and nutrition. Guys, this is all over about agriculture, very simple guys. You have to be follow what I did teach previously about agriculture. There are 4 classes I did take about agriculture. This is the most important. You don't miss the even single word and a single question. Okay, you have to be practice more about that. Okay, MCQs and all about agriculture. Right now the topic is industry. Industry is the topic. We are going to take the next class guys by 3:30. Okay, you must attend the class. I will give you my best. Okay, thank you.